Well, trying to pull the truck out of the weeds, and of course it had a low tire, and I thought, oh, I can get up to the garage without pumping that tire up. Well, now she's off the rim. So I got a fresh can of ether and a portable air compressor here, and we're going to see what we can do about getting this thing rebeaded. Well, apparently this Traveler band starting fluid from Tractor Supply. So, I guess we're going to take it off, take it over to the shop, and see what we can do. Finally got it. We're gonna throw it back on the truck. All right, and after all that screwing around, we're finally good to go.